Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to learn the sheet metal part modeling in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we are going to construct a normal sheet metal part and then we will construct the flat pattern. So let's get started. Go to new, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch and select the exact plane. This will be the top plane, rotate. Now here take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point, make a rectangle profile, go to dimension. Here we will define the height as 25 mm. Okay, zoom in and the width of 12 mm. Okay, now go to line command. From this end point, make one line like this. Escape, go to line once again. From this end, one line like this. Escape. Now go to arc command and we will select 3-point arc. Make a joining profile between these two lines. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this center point. So this will be horizontally aligned. Now go to dimension. Here the arc will be of radius 8 mm. Okay. Now here go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this arc. It is already tangent. Okay. Now go to dimension. From this end, the center point will be at a distance of 22 mm. Okay. Now you can see this is a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. Go to face command and select both the profiles and press OK. Now we have a sheet metal profile here. Go to sheet metal defaults, uncheck this and the thickness we want is of 1 mm and apply. Okay, now you can see the thickness have changed. Exit from this. Now go to part 1. Here you can see we have this flange profile over here and this ham profile. Go to part 1 again. Okay, now go to flange. Select this top edge and here we'll define the flange height as 22 mm and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the cut profile. Rotate the profile. Here take the circle command, drag cursor on this so you'll find the center point. Make a circle of diameter 7.5 and one circle here of diameter 5. Go to line command. From this end, make a straight line. Escape. Similarly, one more line we will make. Go to line command and make one more line. Okay. Now escape. Go to dimension. Select the center point and select the center point. Define the center to center distance as 5 mm. Okay. Now go to trim command or first go to horizontal constraint. Select this point and select this point. So this is horizontally aligned. Now go to trim. Trim these extra profiles. Okay. This profile, this inner profile and this inner profile. Okay. Trim this and this and this also. Okay. So a key like structure has been constructed. Go to sheet metal and here take cut command. So it will cut the profile. Now press OK. Now we are going to construct the ham command. So here select the ham command, select this edge and here the gap, go to the front view. So this gap is 1.5 mm into the thickness. Okay, we have taken a thickness of 1 mm. Okay, so it will be 1.5. So this gap is this. Okay, and the length of the ham, so this will be the total length and here we will define as 4 mm. Okay, as you have taken the thickness already 4, you can give 4 mm or it is thickness into 4. Press apply and exit. Go to home. Now here we are going to make the cutout. So select this face, go to create sketch, take the rectangle command, Take here 2-point center rectangle. Make the rectangle profile over here. Go to dimension and define this height here as 11 mm and the width here will be of 13 mm. Now go to vertical constraint. Select the center point. Select the center. Go to dimension. Select this bottom edge and select this bottom. So the distance from bottom will be 4. Okay. Go to fillet. Take a fillet of 2 mm. Select this edge. Select this edge. Select this and here select this. Now finish sketch. Take the cut command. So it will cut this profile up to thickness and press OK. Okay. Now go to defaults. From here we will give the appearance. I have taken chrome polished. Okay. Now if you want to create a flat pattern, so click create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern of this profile. Okay. So these are the bending lines. Now go to folded part. So this is the complete profile. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.